Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever wished for a moisturizer that not only hydrates but targets those tricky signs of aging, today's review might just be the one you've been looking for. We're talking about RoC Crepe Repair Anti-Aging Daily Face Moisturizer and Neck Firming Cream, paired with the RoC Retinol Wrinkle Smoothing Capsules. Both promise to target crepey skin, fine lines, and sagging with potent ingredients. But do they live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see what this duo has to offer. The RoC Crepe Repair Anti-Aging Daily Face Moisturizer and Neck Firming Cream is a rich, antioxidant-packed cream designed to address crepey skin, particularly on the face, neck, and décolletage. It boasts a powerful blend of glycerin, Hexyl-R Complex, and moisturizing extracts that hydrate, plump, and smooth those hard-to-treat areas. Its purpose is simple: to reduce the look of sagging, fine lines, and wrinkles while giving the skin a more defined, contoured appearance over time. Paired with the RoC Retinol Wrinkle Smoothing Capsules, this combination promises deep anti-aging results. Upon trying the product, I noticed the texture of the moisturizer is thick, almost like a balm, but it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. The scent is light and non-overpowering, which is a plus if you prefer fragrance-free skincare. On the first application, my skin immediately felt more hydrated, especially in the areas where fine lines tend to show the most, around the mouth and neck. Over time, I noticed the texture of my skin felt smoother and the lines seemed a bit softer, though not completely erased. I've used this morning and night as part of my routine, and it works well with other products without causing any irritation. The addition of the retinol capsules is a nice touch. Retinol is a proven ingredient for fighting wrinkles, and these capsules make it easy to use without worrying about over-applying. The pros of this product are clear. It hydrates well, targets crepey skin effectively, and has a noticeable smoothing effect. The inclusion of antioxidants and glycerin helps with immediate hydration, while the long-term effects on firmness and contour are worth noting for those who want to tackle early signs of aging. The downside? The formula may not be enough for those who are looking for a more intense or faster solution for deep wrinkles. And if you have sensitive skin, retinol might cause some dryness or irritation, so be sure to introduce it gradually. Is this product worth the price? It certainly depends on your needs. If you're in the market for an anti-aging moisturizer with firming effects that also targets dry, crepey skin, this is a solid choice. The combination of glycerin and antioxidants provides good moisture, while the Hexyl-R Complex offers more long-term results, though patience is key. It's priced higher than some other options on the market, but you are paying for a trusted brand with proven results in skincare innovation. Comparing this moisturizer to others in the same price range, it's definitely competitive. It stands out with its firming properties for both face and neck, something not every product targets. However, if you're on a budget, there are alternatives with similar hydration benefits, like CeraVe's Hydrating Facial Lotion, which might not have the same firming effects, but is a great option for hydration and price. Now, the packaging of this product is practical. A simple jar that's easy to access, though some may prefer a tube or pump for hygiene reasons. There's no denying, though, that the formula does its job effectively. As for longevity, the cream lasts quite a while since you only need a small amount, but you'll need to be consistent to see the full firming and anti-aging benefits. When it comes to customer service, RoC has a good reputation for being responsive to inquiries, and their products are widely available in stores and online, making it easy to repurchase. Would I recommend this product? Yes, especially for those looking for an everyday anti-aging solution that tackles crepey skin and sagging. It's a solid addition to anyone's skincare routine if you're aiming to smooth and hydrate the skin, though I'd suggest introducing the retinol capsules gradually to avoid irritation. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this. Your support helps us keep creating real content for beauty lovers everywhere. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.